Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find cruises using the Expedia app. Just open the app and click on this button, Cruises, and now you will see some promotions which might be useful for you. It depends, and you can see what the most popular destinations are and so on. But here you can specify the date and when you would like to depart, how much you would like to stay, maybe where you are going to, and then search for the most appropriate cruises. There will be many offers, but you can sort them. There will be options for that based on the price, based on the departure port. As you can see, next to the offers, there are these options, but we can actually browse these offers for a while. But if you sort them, the process will be a bit quicker. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.